Hello everyone, welcome back. And pardon my throat. Still fighting off a cold. Throat is like razor blades, but content has to be made. But hello, and welcome to Will You Press the Button? I don't know, will I? Will I press the button? Well, let's see. $5 million, but you have an unshavable permanent unibrow. So I can get $5 million just like that, but I'll have to walk around looking like a slightly sophisticated caveman. Yeah, I'll do it. It's $5 million. Who cares? You have pressed the button. 50% of these people pushed the button, and another 50% did not. So we're kind of evenly tied here of that. That's an even scale. Oh boy, we're on the right track here, aren't we? Next, please. You will gain control of an army made up of 1 billion armored warbears. Warbears. But Godzilla will attack Sweden. Well, PewDiePie's not in Sweden no more, so we're good. I'll do it just for the fact that I'll get to see some warbears. Over 1 billion warbears. Woo, warbears! I don't know, but I just pushed a button so that could happen, at the expense of losing Sweden, of course, to Godzilla. Well, that's actually pretty good. I mean, Godzilla attack would. An attack by Godzilla would make the news, and it'd be because of me. But the people in Sweden, they might all be dead because Godzilla. So there won't be no. This will be the people of Sweden. I'm sorry, Sweden. I love you, but I want to see warbears. I want to see warbears. Next, you have a ticket to experience walking on Pluto, but the ride to Pluto takes 10 years. It really does. I mean, Pluto's not a planet anymore, it's a dwarf planet, but the discussion has come back up to rename it a planet again. But a ride to Pluto, what are we taking? Rocket, bus, car, bicycle, unicycle? Common sense would tell me that it's going to be a rocket, and it really does take 10 years to go from here to Pluto. Do we get bathroom breaks on the ride, and are in-flight snacks provided? And do we have any selection of in-flight movies? I mean, I'm going to say that we do because the astronauts go into space all the time, and they get food. They get a space toilet, and I'm sure they get ways to watch movies because NASA has billions of dollars. Yeah, what the heck? I'll do it. I'm not doing anything with my life for the next 10 years that is extremely important. Oh, but 59% of people said no, they don't want to do that. And about 41%, myself included, want to do that. What's wrong with you, you 41,687 pussies? You're afraid to give up 10 years of your life, but I'm sure the majority of you are doing nothing with your lives that is of any major importance to our society in any way. Because I know I'm not doing anything majorly important to society other than being an idiot. All I do is I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Only an idiot would make the decision, and that would be me. Next. You'll be instantly transported to the Harry Potter world. Yay. But you'll be Muggle. So I get to go to a world of magic, but I can't be a magical being. I don't want to lack any magical abilities, and that's what a Muggle is. A person who has no magical ability, was not born in a magical family, and has an extreme lack in magical blood. Yes, I've watched and read Harry Potter. Shut up! Shut up! I'm not doing that. No. Yeah, you see, right there. And 47,716 people, a total of 67%, agree with me that if we're going to go to Harry Potter's world, you're damn right we're going to have some magical abilities. I'm going to go talk to Hagrid, and he's going to say, you're a wizard, Mikey. And I'm going to be a wizard. We're going to go to Hogwarts, and I'm going to fly on a broomstick, and I'm going to play games with the Harry Potter group. And possibly cause their situation to become worse because I'm an idiot. And that's what we do. Next. You gain laser vision, but it has a tendency to uncontrollably fire when you get excited. Well, I get excited a lot for different things. Like, oh, my new episode of TV. Oh, God, my 60-inch TV. No! I think it's my girlfriend. Oh, my God, her head's on fire. Hello, Officers Brown. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Nah, I don't want no trouble. Yeah, that's kind of what I expected. 55% say no, 45% say yes, and I'm one of the people that said no because I don't want to cause people's hair to catch on fire. I don't want to ruin my 60-inch television. Next, you marry your favorite celebrity, but you can only have sex with him once a year. Well, I'm 23, be 24 next month. Just a heads up. I've never had sex, and I'll swear that on the highest court in the land. I'll go to court and swear on every Bible in the building. I've never had sex. And I'm proud of it. I don't really necessarily see an injury. I'm fat. I'm lazy. I don't like physical activity of any kind. I don't even like walking to the store. When I'm laying in bed, I want to... That's all I want to do is my beds and four go... That's all I do in bed. I go to bed at 4 a.m. every night, and that's what I'm doing. I'm asleep until 12 p.m. And people say, well, Mikey, why do you stay up so late? Because I do a lot of videos. I record videos for a long period of time. I record about 2 weeks worth of videos in one night. So that's why I'm always wearing sometimes the same shirt and sometimes a different shirt, because I'm just recording videos. Bum, 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 bum. But, so, it'd be fun to marry my favorite celebrity. if I wasn't already taken, of course. But that right there is what does it in, so no. Well, that's a little bit closer than I thought it'd be. 52% said yes and 48% said no. Separated by almost 400 votes. Interesting. Next. You marry the spouse of your dreams, and you have an amazing, fulfilling life. But you will always be poor. Well, I'm already poor. I was poor before I did YouTube, but I'm sure I'll be poor when after YouTube is dead and gone, which if the FTC gets their way could be next year. So sure, because I'm already poor, so nothing's going to change. Yeah, you see. People don't care because they're already poor. They don't care because they already know it's not going to change. So why? So why would... So, interesting. Next. And now it's time. It's time for the final question of the video. Or the final decision of the video. You can teleport anywhere in the world. Whenever you want. But each time you teleport, you lose 24 hours of life. Well, they say every time you eat a hamburger, you lose a day of your life. And every time you smoke a cigarette, you lose a week of your life. And Yeah, I don't smoke. All I eat is food. All I do is eat unhealthy food. So, I'm already losing 24 hours of my life every day of the week. So, yes. Yes. And 19,819 people agree. And there you have it. You've learned a little bit more about me. You've learned a little bit more about a lot of the U.S. of the world population. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.